in the Netherlands. I never thought I'd say that, but we had a beautiful flight. I'll put some B-roll on right now. And we spent the day yesterday in Amsterdam. We biked around and went to this cool like swinging off the edge thing. Anyway, I'll show that probably soon, if now. Now we are at Efteling. It is beautiful here. We just entered, and entrance is beautiful. We just did Symbolica. Symbolica is an amazing ride. Oh, it's crazy. We just did Symbolica. We did single rider because 75-minute wait's packed here. Crazy ride. Not intense, but the visuals are insane. I loved it so much. And now I think we're heading towards Baron, but I don't really know where anything is, so let's go.
Get a good picture of that one.
Oh yeah. I need a boat just in the bootje voor dat mensen even blijven.
Okay, so we've done a few rides since I last vlogged. We've done Python and the one, what is it? Wow, I'm spacing. The one that goes up high. I'll show some footage I have from it. It's really cool. We didn't get Baron shot, unfortunately, because it wasn't going. Now we're heading over to the coaster with the bird. I don't really know much about it. I've also kept away from spoilers a lot. All I know, I think it's Vekoma, and it's indoors. Looks really cool, and we're gonna do that, and we're probably gonna go have lunch.
Okay, so let's take that route we get out. There's a ride coming in.
Okay, so we just finished the bird coaster, Vondelrock. I think I don't speak Dutch. You're gonna learn that on this trip. I don't speak Dutch. Anyway, that I'm not gonna spoil it. That was crazy. There's a lot of people here. I'm not gonna spoil it, but it was insane and so intense. I loved it so much. Go to lunch now. There's gotta be like a million people here. Anyway, so we're going and we're gonna see what good food they have because I heard it's good. So let's go.
Huis. Het is een hel gelijk. Die
Okay, so we just finished Max and Mortis and Baron 1898. So Max and Mortis is a bit more of a, it's a very big family coaster. You know, the second lap is very fast and fun, but it just doesn't stack up to any other coasters I've done. And then Baron is amazing. I had the POV on my vlog, and it's crazy. We got put in the second row, unfortunately. It's luck of the draw. And the first drop and the Immelman right after it's awesome. Then it's very short, so that kind of ends up pretty quick. But it's still a really good theme. Now we're gonna head over and probably do re-rides. Help me, we're stuck. Oh my god, we're gonna die. Help. To our day. It was a very interesting ending. So we did the indoor coaster again. By the way, okay, it's my favorite indoor park. Okay, it's better. The dive coaster, it's an unpopular opinion. It's so fun. Okay, I'm full of hot takes, but this one's very hot. So yeah, it's so intense. You don't know what's happening. It's pitch black. It's like Space Mountain, but pitch black. So it's awesome. Then we did this weird carnival duck ride. I can't describe it. It's a small world, but racist and low budget. They use the same Omni mover things as Haunted Mansion. I don't know. I'm losing words how to describe it. It was very weird. And very long. It lasted like, I don't know, 5 minutes? But it was very long, 5 minutes. Anyway, and then the fountain show at the end, we just stayed for a few minutes because we gotta get to our hotel, which is an hour away in Amsterdam. So overall, I think the park is great. The navigation's a little hard. The food is really good. And yeah, it's just overall really nice park. I wish they had a virtual queue or something like that because the lines get really bad. The Baron was like an hour. And yeah, the employees are really nice. The language barrier is not bad at all. It was fine. But other than that, I think we're done. So we're gonna head back to our hotel tomorrow. We have another like kind of chill day in Amsterdam, and we're just gonna go to probably neighboring towns, see what there's to see, do what there's to do, because you know you're not in the Netherlands very often, at least for me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. We're going to Walby Hall next, and see you next time.
It's a brand new day.